Hello all. In this video, we will learn about text functions in Excel, how we can use. So we will use upper, lower, and proper. Let's see one by one. These are the names given. We have to capitalize it. So equal to upper and select this name, that is Ravi. Now we have to convert it in lowercase. Again, okay. Now in this proper, the first character will be the capital one. R and T is capital. We can drag it for all the columns. Okay. Now moving ahead, we'll see how we can concatenate first name and last name and then name with jobs. Okay, starting with name. First we'll select first name. Okay, sorry, equal to first name and symbol and then last name. This is Ravi Tomar. Okay, but we need also space in between it, so we can add it here. Yeah, that is correct. So we can drag this formula for all. Now we also want to concatenate with job and name. Then similarly, we will use this name and we need one space again and then job. And now similarly we will drag it. Yeah, that's it we want. Thanks.